Last month, my cigar pack had a Cavalier cigar takeover. I asked you guys in a poll which one of those cigars you'd like me to review, and this one won. And this one is the Cavalier Black 2. Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beast Mode Reviews, of course a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points, and thank you for watching my second channel here. This is where I can talk more about cigar stuff, and it's all unmonetized here. If you want to go watch my other channel, definitely go up there to Beast Mode Reviews. And if you want to support me, I have some links down below to curated pieces, accessories, different things like that you might like down there. And I also have some special deals in my website that I can't really link here, so go to my website for more information there. Alright, Cavalier Cigars has been on my radar for some time. They have just really cool looking cigars, and they have gold leaf on the actual cigar. That right there is something that immediately catches my eye, and so I wanted to check them out just for that. There is something to be said about appearance and branding. Cavalier Cigars really does it well. One of the things that they really kind of aim for is that their cigars are made with mostly viso leaf. Different parts of the tobacco leaf are used for different things in the cigar. Cavalier Cigars likes to make a lot of their cigars with viso leaf primings. That offers a little bit more of a smoother, milder texture, while also still having a lot of flavor and complexity. Recently, my cigar pack sent me a few different ones from the Cavalier line with their takeover from last month. So I was really looking forward to seeing what you guys wanted me to review. Of course, it's the Black 2, which I was not expecting. I thought it was going to be something else, but I tried it and I have a lot of thoughts here. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys think. Have you tried the Black 2? I would love to hear what you guys think below. All right, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Now, this one that I have here is the Robusto size. It's a 5x50, but they also sent me a limited version of this, which is their Lancero size as well. And that one is the 7x38. So I decided I would just do both of them together. I tried them both side by side as well, so the differences are definitely apparent here, and I'll just let you know which one is my favorite. Now, the wrapper is a San Andrés Maduro wrapper. It has a Habano binder, and filler is from Nicaragua. I think the appearance on this is very nice. I think it's a very good looking cigar. It has a little bumpy and veiny here and there. I love the gold leaf on these. Again, it looks fantastic. Now, the Robusto is a box press, but it's a little bit uneven in the box press. Not really sure why. The Robusto also has a secondary band, which kind of looks a little lame and cheap, and not a big fan of that. The Lancero is also really impressive. It looks maybe slightly more rustic than the Robusto, but still looks really great. Now, in the pre-light, some of the aromas that I get here are leather and barnyard. I get a slight cocoa and hay, and the Robusto smells stronger, and the Lancero is a little bit more subtle. Now, Cavalier cigars are made in Honduras, and these in particular, I believe, are made at the San Judas Tadeo factory in Danlí, Honduras. Now, the first one that I tried here was the Lancero, and right away when I light this up, I get tons of really rich coffee. Creamy, rich, bittersweet, but very smooth with no pepper at the start at all. There's some earthiness and then slight cocoa as well. Then I tried the Robusto, and the Robusto is similar. It's not as punchy and flavorful at the start as the Lancero is, but I would say is maybe smoother. It's more subtle, and I also get a little bit more of a nutty flavor, like maybe hazelnut or something like that. Now, the burn on these was pretty good. It was okay. Both of them are pretty wavy throughout, and the box press was the worst of the two with the burn. They both had tons of smoke, which I really like. Lots of great smoke output. And the draw was kind of similar for both of these. They started off a little snug, and then they loosened up a little bit after the first third, and then it became perfect. Now, after the first third, you still get a lot of the same flavors. I would say most of the cigar is pretty linear in how they're presented. In the second third, I get a little bit more of a kind of chocolate chip cookie flavor. The Lancero is still stronger and more concentrated in flavor, and there's more earthiness here for both of them as well. In the final third, you still get some of that stuff going on. There's less of the chocolatey, hazelnutty type of flavors, and more savory elements kind of present themselves, like salt and umami. Also get a little bit of a clove type of taste in there as well, which is actually pretty pleasant here. And in the final third, you get a little bit of the pepper kind of creeping up towards the end, which was not bad at all, just a little bit there. And on this Robusto, it has that little secondary band, and it was way too tight on this cigar, way too tight. And it was hard to get off. I kind of just had to wait until it burned all the way down to the band and then just kind of try to flick it off. As far as body, flavor, and strength, I would say this had a lot of body, medium plus in body, but was pretty mild in flavor, especially for the Robusto. The Lancero I thought was better in flavor, had more there, but the Robusto especially very mild in flavor. And as far as strength, I think these are more on the mild to medium side. Overall, what do I think of these? I think these are okay. I think these are just okay for me personally. I think there's other cigars out there that would scratch this itch a lot better. I don't need every cigar to hit me in the face with flavor or complexity or anything like that. I just think these cigars were just a touch on the boring side for me. I think these are just okay. As far as the two go, I think the Lancero had just more flavor there than the Robusto. I would definitely come to that one again. But this Robusto, for me, is just a pass. Probably not something I'm going to try again. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Peacemaker Reviews. Bye.